In this video, we are going to show you how to disable automatic app updates on your Android phones and tablets. Letting your phone apps update automatically means that they consume significant cellular data. That means you'll get fewer data when you really need it. Here's how to disable it on Android devices. The modern flavors of Android allow the flexibility to turn off automatic updates for all apps at once. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Now, once open, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. From the pop-up menu, tap on Settings. Tap on Network Preferences. This will open a submenu. From the submenu, tap on Auto Update Apps. A dialog box will appear with three options, namely Over Any Network, Over Wi-Fi Only, and Don't Auto Update Apps. Select the third option from the list and you are set. Now, none of your installed apps will automatically download updates for them on your Android device. Just make sure that you update your most used apps or important apps, because if they are outdated, they may not work efficiently. That is it. Hopefully, this video helps you to disable automatic app updates on your Android devices. For more tech tips and tricks, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of these videos, handpicked just for you.